blue skies and snow. I'm out here taking snowflake photos, and I find the easiest way for me is on car windows. Let's see how close I can get with the iPhone. I normally have my macro lens for this. Here is my camera setup to get macro snowflakes. You can get this extension tube for fairly cheap on Amazon. So yeah, check it out. If you have even like this Rebel, it works, Canon Rebel. You don't even need anything too fancy. I do have a ring light that helps in darker snowflake situations, especially at night. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, and I'll update and put a little slideshow together of the ones I captured.